It's like a backpack and a fanny pack and a crossbody, like all in one. Hey amores, today we're going to be unboxing my FIFA swag bag for the World Cup this year in the US. See how big this bag is? Yeah, I got the opportunity to volunteer for FIFA in the US, and my role is host ambassador. I think I'm just like welcoming people as they come into the stadium.
My mayor Muslim, my baker's Jewish, my Christian Dior.
But let's get into the swag bag. So the first thing I'm gonna have to take out are the sneakers. Ta-da! All of the FIFA volunteers are literally going to be matching from head to toe. So yeah, these are the sneakers. So the first size that I tried on, which is my true size, they were too small because there's so much padding in these sneakers. Like even the sole of it can be removed. Like even this one can be removed. Yeah, the sneaker itself says, you know, cold foam in there. And of course with the sneakers, they give us socks as well, different colors. And the next accessory is the FIFA hat. I'm actually going to be like unboxing this for the first time. Like as you can see, I haven't opened this yet. Ta-da! Ooh, I like this feel they got on the edge here. Oh my goodness. Should I wear this for the rest of the video? Wait, it's giving Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Like I feel like this was the hat Will Smith wore.
In my kingdom, I was finally there to sit on my throne as the Prince of Bel-Air.
Wait, what does it say? We are 26. Next accessory we have here is the bag. It's like a backpack and a fanny pack and a crossbody, like all in one. Let's see. Okay, wait, no, it's just fanny pack, or you can wear it across your chest like this. Let's see the inside. Oh, it's green on the inside. Ooh, pockets. And then for all of them, they're gonna have the FIFA volunteer logo, and then there's gonna be the We Are 26, because I'm gonna show you, where is it? I have to put my volunteer badge thingy on this. There's this one. Okay, I think this one is for the fanny pack because it's the smallest one. So yeah, you see on the back here. Yeah, it's gonna stick like that. Here are the other ones we have. Okay, they're all the same. They just gave me 3. Because yeah, we have, you know, a t-shirt, a jacket, and pants that we can wear. And then this, they said, is unlock your volunteer experience. So I guess like to get through places, I tap this card somewhere. And I should keep that in the fanny pack so I don't lose it, as well as my badge. I'm going to show y'all my badge after. I'll keep this. Well, let me keep it on the inside. The inside zipper. That's right there. There's my bag. Okay, wait, you can keep that as me. See, that's me. This is the bag if I want any more info. But I don't know what I'm supposed to put up here. Maybe they're going to write something for me the day of. I don't know. But I'll put this in my fanny pack too. There are some more accessories. This one, I feel is cute. We got a rain poncho. Whatever the weather's going to be like, that's nice. But this one's the funniest. Look at what they put in here. You see what that is? Yo, they gave us all travel size deodorant to bring with us for all of our shifts, I guess. Because, yeah, we're going to be outside in the heat. I mean, I'm wearing my neck fan and stuff. But to always smell fresh, even if you take, you know, 10 showers, the sweat glands. But I don't use these brands. I'll just bring my own travel one. But thanks for thinking of us. And those are all the accessories. Now let's get into the FIFA clothes. Okay, so first is the t-shirts. As you can see, they're obsessed with this neon green color, whatever. T-shirt. So again, here on the side, let me get the, I'm gonna put this on the shirt. Like this. like that. Yeah. And then let me show y'all the back. Ready? FIFA volunteer. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, this fabric is pretty thick for summertime because even today, like it's over 90 degrees and I'm hot. Not to talk about wearing this in 90 degrees in like the morning when the sun is like all up on you. But yeah, this is the shirts. This is the wrapping paper they put it in. They gave us 1, 2, 3, 4 of these, which I think is nice because I signed up for 5 shifts. I think we ought to do a minimum of 5 shifts. So, 4 shirts, just wash one. And let me get into the next. These are, from what I think one is shorts, one is pants. Honestly, don't know. I think these are the pants. Okay, yeah, these are the pants. And when I was trying them on during the equipment, look, I love this, the hidden zipper placket on the side. And it has the mesh net on the inside. Yeah. Then the bottom is elastic. So let me see, how many pants did they give us? Okay, wait, yeah, now this one's different. Yeah, you see, these are shorts. Wait, what size is this one? This is a medium, but obviously I don't know how I'm gonna wear these, to be honest, because I don't wear shorts. If I have to, yeah, I'll wear like, yoga pants underneath them. But I might just do the pants, to be honest, and wash them. Because none of my shifts are back to back. I spread them out. Because, yeah, like if I wanted to, I could do 5 days straight and just be over with it. I was like, no, let me explore different dates with the different teams playing throughout June. Let me put the shorts back. I won't be wearing the shorts. And then there's one more. God, this is the jacket. What is it? Varsity jacket? I don't know what we call them. Yeah, when I was trying this on, I am obsessed. It's the fact that it's matching with the pants and everything. And then the green t-shirt underneath, contrast with it. Oh wait, I forgot the design on the sleeves, y'all. Look at the sleeve design. Look at that. And again, let me get my patch out. Yeah, this one goes right there. And then look at the other sleeve. And look at the back. But here it is. The inside, they made it breathable with the mesh net on the inside. And then side pockets over here. The side pockets, though, are the same material as the jacket. On the back, they did the, embroidery patch of the word volunteer. But yeah, that's my FIFA merch, right? I was like, they gave us so many things. Let me make sure I'm not missing anything. Okay, so we first had the sneakers and the socks. Then we had the fanny pack. And we have the hat. Then we had the t-shirt, the pants, the shorts, and yeah, the jacket. That's all. I don't even know what to expect for it because I haven't done the training yet. I mean, I've seen videos, but there's an in-person training they want us to do. And if we don't go to that, then we just have to show up 30 minutes earlier than our assigned shift times. And they'll tell us, our role and how we do it. Yeah, I'm going to be a host ambassador. But again, from what I understand, I think I'm just welcoming people. Okay, that'll be fun. Be like, hey, welcome. What am I rooting for? Things like that. But yeah, thank you for watching my FIFA unboxing. Comment below which team you're rooting for. Right after I got my FIFA merch, I headed onto the FIFA website just to learn more about the matches, the countries that are playing, as well as the dates and locations that they are playing in. So feel free to pause this video, screenshot some of the dates and matches.